Hey guys, what's up? This is Manas and it's going to be level number 3. I regard this level as boss mode. Now that you have gone through level 1 and level 2, I guess you guys are in much better position to go for level number 3. Alright, so let's begin with problem number 1 and it's going to be very interesting, guys. Trust me. So here it is. An object O is placed 1.2 meter above the ground and in the center of a hall 8 by 6 by 4 meter high. Determine graphically its distance from one of the corners between the roof and two adjacent walls. Alright. So in this particular problem, you can see all these data have been provided in meters. Alright, 8 meter. So it's not possible to draw a line of 8 meters in a drawing sheet, which is hardly a meter broad. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a scale. We're going to assume that 1 meter is equivalent to 1 centimeter. Alright, in such a case, 8 meter would become 8 centimeter, 6 meter would become 6 centimeter, etc. etc. Now I have this figure. I'm going to show you this pictorial representation of the overall scenario or the orientation of this particular object. Now this is what you call a room. All right, so the dimensions of the room has been given as 8 by 6 by 4, 8 by 6, that is length by breadth by height, that is 4 meters. Now if you see this floor is having dimensions of 8 by 6 meters, and placed centrally we have this object which is at a height of, let me see how much it is. It lies at a height of 1.2 meter above the ground. So guys, this distance over here, this vertical distance above the ground is 1.2 meters. All right, this is 1.2 meters, the height of the object from the ground. All right, now what we supposed to do is we will take a corner of two adjacent walls. Let us suppose that this is the corner which we are interested in, and we are supposed to find the distance between this particular object and this corner over here. So what we need to do is we need to find the true length of line OC. Okay, so let's head on to the orthographic projection of this case. Okay, so initially I'm going to start off with drawing the front view of this room, which is going to be 4 by 8. So I'm going to be drawing a rectangle of 8 by 4. Fine, let's do this. Okay, so let's draw a horizontal line 8 meters. Fine, we have this, then 4 meters. Okay, then again 8, and then back from where we started. All right guys, so this is the room. Fine. Now this point C, okay, appears when you look at this object from the front, it would appear as if this point C is somewhere here. So what I'm going to do is I'll take this, copy this, and I'm going to write here in small c dash. So this is the front view. Okay, so this over here represents the front view of this corner C dash right here. Now when you look at this particular room from the front, what you will see is this object appears as if it lies in the center, okay, and at a height of 1.2 meters. So what I'll be doing is I'll be drawing a line from here, take the center, and 1.2 meters, that is 1.2 centimeters above, having taken the scale. So this is what you call the front view of the object into consideration, O dash. What we supposed to do is, let us join this object and this corner by a line, and we need to find the true length of this line. So this is the apparent front view. Now that the front view is done, we're gonna focus our attention towards the top view. Now in the top view, you're gonna see this line over here and this line over here. This is 8 meters, this is 6 meters. So let's draw this line quickly, and for that we have this 6 meters. No, it's not 6. I'm gonna do this. Then this is 8. Then back here. All right, now guys, when you look at this overall scenario from the top, this C point would appear somewhere here. So this over here represents the top view of the corner. All right, C dash is here, then C has to be here. Similarly, if O dash is over here, then O has to lie somewhere along this line. All right, I'm going to show you as to where it exactly lies. So this point is at the center, and it would appear as if it would appear as a point. Now this particular object would appear as a point from the top. We're gonna have a center of this line and come somewhere in between. So this particular length is 6 meters. So this particular length is 6 meters, and I'm gonna go 3 meters down. So this is the center in which the object has been placed. So let us say that this point is represented by O. So what we're going to do again is we're going to join O and C by a line. So this is the top view. Okay, now the next thing to do is to find the true length, and it's pretty simple. Please watch these steps and you will be through with no real fuss. All right, now for seeing the true length, okay, now guys, for determining the true length of any line, you need to rotate that particular line and make it parallel to xy. Now let us suppose that we are rotating this front view. Okay, now if we rotate the front view, we're gonna make it parallel to xy, then its top view is going to show the true length. Let me show you how. So with this guy as center, with C dash as center, we're gonna rotate this C dash O dash about C dash. All right, please watch this carefully. We're gonna rotate this and until it becomes absolutely parallel. All right, so guys, this is the point which I was interested in. Okay, now if this is O dash, then this becomes the new position of O dash. Let us say that this is O1 dash. Fine. Now this was O dash and its corresponding top view was somewhere here. Now O dash has become O1 dash, so its corresponding top view will lie somewhere here. All right, now let's do this, and I'm going to make a small construction for this somewhere here. All right, now I'm going to bring a line downwards from this point, so this becomes the new position of O1 dash in top view. That's O1 simply. All right, the next thing to do is to join O1 with C, and this is what you call the true length. I'm going to darken this, and this is what you call the true length, and the true length works out as 57.31 millimeters or 5.7 centimeters or 5.7 meters for that matter. All right guys, true length. I'm going to write